Hi! Going for a walk. Look at this beautiful trail. I love being in nature. Came for a walk to the lake. Let's go see. There's so much beauty everywhere, all of the time. But we're always in a rush. Gotta get to the next thing. I gotta do this by this time, and I gotta do that by this time. And we're often tied down by the expectations that we set for ourselves. We are choosing the life we're living. We are choosing what we choose to focus on, what we choose to think about, feel about. This is our choice. And often people think that there's no other way. Well, I have to. I have kids and I have a family and I have this and I have that, and how else can I balance my life? But you can. Does the house cleaning need to be done right now? Or is the sun shining and instead you're going to choose to go and be in nature for 15-20 minutes and the dishes can wait? But we have to look at that, because we will often tell ourselves that we have to do something. We should, let's lose that word. Never say should again. It holds us prisoner. Okay? Because should means, well, you really should have done it, and not doing it means that you're horrible and you didn't follow through with any expectations, so you're a failure. Turn it into could. You could do it, but you don't have to. That's the ultimate beauty of choice. And I don't know why this just said something else on my screen, but it is all about choice, you guys. It's not easy to make changes, but it's possible. And each and every day you can make little changes so that eventually you're living each day the way you want to. Just want you to look at the color on these trees. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Wow. Just taking it in. Enjoying the silence. Do you hear the silence? Can you see the ducks? I don't know if you can, but it's beautiful. And I just wanted to share it with you. Hope that you are looking at your life each day and doing what you can to make the changes that are going to bring you authentic happiness. Because only you know what that looks like. So once you figure out what it is you want, you can go for it. You know, it's like making tacos for supper. If you decided that you're going to make tacos for supper, guess what you do? You decide to make tacos, and you have to figure out, okay, well, what do I need? So you reverse engineer it and you think, okay, well, I'm going to want this and that and these toppings. So you have to make a list and then go out and get all of those little things that end up resulting in tacos. It's the same thing with your life. Once you figure out what it is that you want, you can figure out what the ingredients and steps are to get it. And guess what? You'll have tacos. Get it? Right on. Wishing you love and light and blessings each and every day from this point forward. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Make it. That's the key word. You create it with your thoughts and with your imagination. We have an imagination for a reason, and we were told somewhere along the way to grow up. Who told us to do that? Because it's your imagination that is everything. You think about everything you see in your life. Everything, okay? Look around your house right now. Every single object started with somebody's thought in their imagination. Isn't that incredible to think about? So it is possible. Anything that you imagine and dream can become a reality. That's getting really deep. Maybe another whole video on that. But use your imagination. Dream big. Because literally, you can have it all. Much love!